Alright, so I'm going to show how to open up this 2019 MacBook Pro. This is a 15-inch model A1990 Touchbar Mac. So first, you'll want to remove all the screws. So I already popped it open, but I'll show you again. So you'll remove the pentalobe screws from the bottom. So there's 2 at the back near the hinge, and then there's 4 towards the front. Alright, so once you get that open, it's going to be a bit tough, but you flip it over, so where the 4 screws are, you can use your fingernail or a pry tool to kind of lift here. If you can't lift there, what you can do is you can use a screwdriver and then go right where the screw is, and then you can kind of pry it up there. So let's see, so this will actually be kind of tough. When you pry it, you need to make sure that you're only prying the case and not prying where the screw hole is. Okay, so just do that. Alright, then you can lift up this, get your fingernails or a pry tool underneath, go all the way to the side, and then when you get there, just pull up really hard. Try and pull from this, don't pull from up here, because the clip is towards the center. So just pull on it just like that, okay? And then once you get that clip here, you can pull the middle ones up like this, go around, go to the other side, again, pull from the side, not from up here. Get your pry tool in and then pull it just like that. Okay, once you do that, this model is a little bit more tough because they put like a copper seam around here with adhesive, but what you want to do, like the other MacBooks, you hold this up just like this, use your thumb, and then you can push on this. So you can use your thumb with this hand, use your finger, put your fingers here, make sure to keep your fingers away from the base, because if you slide this out too quick and your fingers slide along it, you can cut your fingers. So use your thumbs and then you can push on this. If it doesn't come out, what you can do is hold this up and then you can use your fingers here and pull on this up here while you push with your thumb on the bottom. Okay, so like this, and just pull. This one is very tough, so you might have to work it pretty hard. If it's not coming out, you can pull with this hand and push with this one. So just do that. Okay. It's very tough. So keep trying. All right. Let's see here. Make sure all the clips are out and keep going. All right. It's very tough. Even after getting it out one time, it's still very tough, so keep trying. Alright, switch to the other side too. Pull on that as well. Alright, keep trying. Don't bend this up too much because you can actually bend the metal, so just keep going. Just like that. See, now it popped. Once you get one side, the other side will be a little bit easier. Again, hold this side up and then keep pulling on here. All right, just like that, and there you go, the cover comes off. So as you can see here, there's some copper stuff here on this side and this side, and then there's also copper going along here and here, and that makes it a lot more difficult to slide this piece out. At least I think that's what it is. I don't see any liquid or anything that would have caused that, but that model, it was a lot more difficult to remove that cover. But other than that, if you look inside, everything looks very similar. I'm not going to pull this whole thing apart, but I'm just wanted to show what's inside. So there's the battery connector underneath this, just like most MacBooks. Same thing if you look at my other video, but basically there's the little cable that you remove first, then there's one screw under there that you remove with a metal piece that folds up and down, and that folding part has the contacts for the battery. You can watch my other MacBook Pro repairs, all of them from, I believe, 2016 all the way till the current models, 2019, 2020. They're designed like this, but just wanted to show you what it looks like inside. Speakers, okay. Then the trackpad connector here. You got the USB-C ports. They're also replaceable, removable. There's under this panel, there's a removable clip. Same thing with this one. Then I believe this is for the Touch ID power button. You got the fan connector here. Actually, that's probably not a fan connector. That might be for a microphone, because the fans, I believe, are actually connected to the keyboard, and then the keyboard connects to this, and that's how it gets that. But yeah, I'm not really going to show much else. There's also the, what do you call here? This is the headphone jack. Sorry, people haven't been using these, so I'm forgetting. And then, so the connector for the headphone jack is under this. And then actually the Touch ID connector is under here with an adhesive. If it's like the other models, this one is actually for the touch bar. Okay, and that's pretty much it. The screen replacement looks the same as the other MacBook Pros from 2016 to 2019. So everything else looks the same. Screws are just moved around a little bit. But other than that, if you want to see how to remove something or disassemble completely like this, I believe I have a video of a 2017 MacBook Pro. If you want, I can send you a link. Just write a comment below and I'll do that as soon as I can. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.